Hello achievers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see what is proportion from the topic ratio and proportion. So now let us see what is proportion. See proportion. So what is the meaning of proportion? The proportion is nothing but comparison. Okay, comparison of ratios. See, in the previous video, we have seen what is ratio, and in ratio, what I have said, comparison of values. Okay, comparison of values. But the meaning of proportion is simple. Here, we are going to compare two ratios. Okay, so in ratio means what? We are going to compare two values called A and B. But here, proportion means what? We are going to compare two ratios. So, okay, I'm going to compare A and B with respect to C and D. Okay, this is nothing but proportion. So what is the meaning of proportion? Comparison of ratios. Okay, fine. See, let me take one example. So what is the general form? The general form of proportion is nothing but A is to B is proportional to C is to D. In previous video, we have seen like how to write this is to. So this is nothing but A by B. And similarly here, the meaning of is proportional. The meaning is nothing but equal to. So how I can write AB and CD? So A by B is equal to C by D. Okay. So now what I will do? I will cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, what happens? A multiplied by D is equal to C multiplied by D. Okay. If you observe in this proportion format, see A and D are in the ends. So similarly, what you are doing? A and D are in the ends, and we are multiplying. So product of extreme ends is equal to, see here, C and B are in the middle. So product of extreme end is equal to product of means. Okay, product of extreme ends is equal to product of means. Let me give one example. See, let me take one example called 3 is to 7 is proportional to 18 is to 42. See how we can write 3 is to 7? 3 divided by 7. Okay. So what is the meaning of proportional? Which is nothing but equal to. What is 18 by 42? Sorry, 18 is to 42, which is nothing but 18 by 42. So if I cross multiply, what happens? 42 into 3 will be 126 is equal to. What is 18 into 7? So again, 18 into 7 is nothing but 126. So when we can tell the ratio is in proportion in the sense, when we can tell the ratio is in proportion in the sense when the values are same. Okay, that only we have mentioned like product of extreme ends is equal to product of mean. See, instead of doing like this, what we can do, we can multiply this end value. So that is nothing but 42 into 3. And here we can multiply this mean value, that is 18 and 7. Okay, so what we can tell, product of extreme end is equal to product of mean when the given ratios are in proportion. When the given ratios are in proportion, what we can tell, we can tell product of extreme ends is equal to product of means. Okay, now we'll see what are the types of proportions. Okay, what are the types of proportion? So there are four types. First one is nothing but first proportion. Okay, second was like mean proportion. Third one is like third proportion, and last is fourth proportion. Okay, see how to find first proportion, how to find mean proportion, how to find third proportion, how to find fourth proportion. See, in order to find first proportion, the formula is nothing but AB by C. So in order to find mean proportion, it is nothing but root of AB. The meaning of third proportion is nothing but B square by A. Okay, and fourth proportion will be BC by A. So now you'll be having it out. Why we are telling like A, B by C? Okay, so the general form of first proportion is nothing but X is to A is proportional to B is to C. See how I can write X by A is equal to B by C. So here X is nothing but what? So X is equal to AB by. Okay, so this is how we need to find the first proportion. So similarly, the general form of mean proportion will be A is to X is proportional to X is to B. And general form for third proportion will be A is to B is proportional to B is to X. Okay, fourth proportion will be A is to B is proportional to C is to X. Okay, this is the general form, and based on this general form, we'll be checking how to find the first proportion, mean proportion, third proportion, and fourth proportion. Now, based on this thing, we'll see some questions. Here, find the first proportion for the following. See, what is the formula for first proportion? The first proportion is nothing but AB by C. But here we don't know what is the value of A, what is the value of B, and what is the value of C. Correct now? See, they are given just numbers 3, 12, 9, 12, 20, 40, 15, 25, 125. But did they mention like value of A is this one, value of B is this value, value of C is this one? No, right? So what you have to do, consider, see, whenever they are giving the numbers, okay, consider always in the format, okay, A, B, C. Okay, the meaning is nothing but value of first number will be A, that is B will be 12, and third number will be C. So what we need to find? First proportion, which is nothing but AB by C. So what you have to do? You have to multiply. What is the value of A? 3. What is the value of B? 12. What is the value of C? 9. So 3 into 12 by 9. So this is 1 time, and this is 3 time. Again, this is 1 time, and this is 4 time. So the first proportion for 3, 12, and 9 is nothing but 4. Now, second one. See, 20 into 12 by 40. So this is 1 time, and this is 2 time. Again, this is 1 time, and this is 6 times. So answer will be, so here, what will be the first proportion? What is the value of A? 50. Yes. What is the value of B? 25. Yes. So what is the value of C? 125. Now can, if I cancel here, this is 1 time, and this is 5 times. Okay, 1 time and 5 times. Again, this is 1 time, and this is 3 times. Okay. The first proportion for 15, 25, and 125 is nothing but 3. Okay, clear? So now I think you can able to find the first proportion. Now let's go for how to find the mean proportion. See, what is the formula for mean proportion? For finding the mean proportion, it is nothing but root of AB. Again, here they don't know, we don't know like what is the value of A and what is the value of B. So by default, what you have to consider, first number will be value of A and second number will be value of B. So here 2 into 32. So what is 32 into 2? 64. So what is root of 64? It is nothing but 8. The next thing, 125 into 5. Okay, you have to take root. Okay, what is 125 into 5? 625. So what is root of 625? Which is nothing but 20. The next, 36 into 49. Okay, see how I can write 36 and 49. So 36 is nothing but 6 into 6. And what is the value of 49? 7 into 7. Okay, so you know already, right, how to take the square root. See, from these two sixes, I'll be taking 1 6 out. From these two sevens, I'll be taking 1 7 out. So what is 6 7, sir? Which is nothing but 42. So the mean proportion for 36 and 49 is nothing but 42. Next, third proportion. See how to find the third proportion. So third proportion, you have to find it by b square by a. Okay, b square by a. See what is the value of a? 7. What is the value of b? 63. So 63 into 63 divided by 7. So this is 1 time and this is 9 time. So what is 63 into 9? Which is nothing but 63 into 9. So 9 3 is a 27. Okay, 9 3 is a 27. So carry over to, so 9 6 are 54. So 54 plus 2, 56. So answer will be 567. So similarly here, what is B or value? B's value is 15 and 15 divided by 38. So what will be the third proportion for 38 and 15 is nothing but 225 by 38. Okay, because we can't able to cancel 38 and 15, right? So answer will be in the fraction, which is nothing but 225 by 38. So similarly, find the answer for this question and comment your answers in your comment section. Okay. Now we'll go for fourth proportion. See, what is the formula for fourth proportion? So fourth proportion will be BC by A. Again, what is the value of A? 5 is the value of A. What is the value of B? 8 is the value of B. What is the value of C? 15. So 8 into 15. Okay, B into C divided by A. So this is nothing but 5. This is one time and this is 3 times. So 8 3 is a 24. Okay, the fourth proportion of 5, 8 and 15 is nothing but 24. Next, 12, 21 and 8. Okay, 12, 21 and 8. What is the value of B? 21. What is the value of C? 8. So what is the value of A? 12. So this is 2 times and this is 3 times. Again, this is 1 time and this is 7 times. So 7 twos are 14. Okay, so the fourth proportion of the following number is nothing but 14. Now we'll see one question. See here what they have given. If 18, x and 50 are in the continued proportion, then the value of x is what? Okay, so in previous example, they clearly mentioned what is the first proportion, what we need to find. Okay, what is the mean proportion, how to find. Okay, find the third proportion, find the fourth proportion. But here, did they mention anything like what we need to find? They clearly mentioned we need to find the value of x. But what we have to do? We have to find first proportion or mean proportion or third proportion or fourth proportion. Did you mention anything like that directly? No, right? So what we have to do? 18, x and 50. If they are giving the values in this format, okay. So write like 18 by x is equal to x by 50. Okay. So from this, what we'll do? If we cross multiply, we'll be getting x square is equal to, okay, 18 into 50. So what is 18 into 50? 18 into 50 is nothing but 900. So, but we need to find the value of x. So x is nothing but what? Root of 900, which is equal to 30. So the value of x is nothing but 30. If you observe, this is nothing but what? It is nothing but second proportion. So here they are considering this is the value of A and this is nothing but value of B. Sorry, mean proportion. Okay. Fine. So next one. See here, find the value of x. See here, how to write x is to 15? X by 15. What is the meaning of proportional to equal? So 14 by 35. Okay, 14 by 35. So we need to find the value of x. So how to find it? See, first thing you have to cross multiply. So 15 into 14 divided by 35. So this is 2 times and this is 5 times. Again, this is 1 time and this is 5 times. Sorry, 3 times. Okay. So what will be the answer? It will be the next one. 15 by x is equal to 45 by 74. See, again, you need to find the value of x now. See, cross multiply. So what will be getting? 15 into 74 divided by 45. Okay, 15 into 74 divided by 45. Okay, again I will cancel. So this is value, this is 1 time and this is 3 times. Okay, so what is the value you are getting? 74 by 3. So the value of x is nothing but 74 by 3. So similarly, find the value of x for this question and comment your answers below in the comment section. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.